Hey friends, if you wish to fix the Bluetooth driver error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek one and update it. The next solution will be to update Windows in general. So right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution will be to perform an SFC scan on your computer. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.